Hey my artists, we are going to move on from the color wheel into more color theory. You guys filled out your color wheel and you learned how to mix your colors from your primaries to your secondaries and then your tertiaries. So let's have a little review and learn some more about color. So here we are with our color wheel all completed, and this is the one that we did in crayons, however you say it. Up above I have a ruler, our trusty pencil, and our red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. This is the sheet you will be working on. It is called the color theory sheet. We're going to learn about warm colors, cool colors, complementary colors, analogous colors, and rainbow. You should already know the top, the primary, the secondary, and the tertiary. So let's get started. Okay, so our first is our primaries. Nope, I lied. I'm sorry, our first is to always put our name on our paper. Thank you, trusty pencil. And now our primaries. So we have our red, go all the way to the edge and make sure you don't leave any white spaces. Our yellow, and our blue. So again, guys, just like we did with the color wheel, you can see that I'm outlining my shape and then I fill it in, and that helps to set the color and helps me to not go outside the box. Okay, so there, from red, yellow, and blue, we can make our secondary colors. So remember that red and yellow make orange. Yellow and blue make green. And lastly, red and blue make violet. Your crown will probably say violet purple, like our one-eyed, one-horned, flying purple people eater. All right, so that is our primary and our secondary colors. Now we need to make our tertiary colors. Remember, our tertiary colors are the primary mixed with the secondary. So the first one, our primary, mixed with a secondary. So red and orange make red-orange. Mix your colors within that box. Now I'm not going to put the orange down because we need to mix this with our other primary, yellow. So it's a pattern that repeats. And if you look at the color wheel, actually I'll bring that in a minute and talk about that in a minute. Let's get our colors mixed first. So now our yellow-orange, and we don't put down our yellow, we keep going with our yellow because we need to mix it with another secondary, green. So this should be yellow-green. Now Now this color may be a little difficult because yellow went on first. So you might have to go back over and make sure that it's mixed correctly. Okay, that looks better. So then our green, we still have it in our hand from the previous. With our next primary, which is blue. And then our blue gets mixed with our next secondary, which is violet. To make blue violet. And then our violet gets mixed with our last primary to bring it all the way around the circle, which was red. It's looking a little red to me. I'm gonna put another coat down. Make sure it's mixed right, okay? All right, so you can see here on the color wheel how that went. If we started with red and our secondary is orange, if we mix our primary and our secondary, we end up with our tertiaries for our red-orange, our yellow-orange, yellow-green, blue-green, blue-violet, and red-violet. Now, if I keep my color wheel here, this will help me to be able to do the next one, our warm and cool colors. That's why I put our ruler out, just to show you guys how we can take the color wheel and split it in half. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 colors. So if we take the first 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that gives us our answer for warm. So everything on this side of the color wheel is warm. Everything on this side of the color wheel is cool. So we would start here again at red. And do 2 boxes because you need to make red-orange. So now I get my orange and mix it with my red because we take our primary and our secondary, but again, do 2 boxes. And get our yellow. So orange. Oh, I'm sorry, that's my fault. It would have been 3 boxes. Look at Miss Carol not paying attention. Red, orange, orange, and then yellow, orange. That's what I was forgetting. Yellow, orange. So our yellow, orange, our yellow, and then our yellow, green. Now, I know it seems weird, but yellow-green can go either way. Same with red-violet. We're putting them in the cool section, but they really could be either warm or cool. Those 2 colors. There. All right, now our cool colors. So that would be this side. Okay, so we would start with green. So it would be 1, 2, 3 for green then. I don't know if you guys can tell, but some of the colors I've had to switch the angle that my crayon is going in order to be able to fill all the white spaces. Okay, so fill all your white spaces. All right, green. Then I do my blue green. My blue. We're gonna head over to blue violet then. I know that you guys have done warm and cool colors with me with our hands. Do you remember when we traced our hands and we did the warm heart giving hands? So this is our blue violet. And then our violet. Down onto our red violet. And those are our warm and cool colors. So that's an easy peasy review for you guys. I know that you guys caught on to this very quickly. Now, here's the new ones, okay? Here's the new ones, our set of complementary colors. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets of complementary colors. And what that means is colors that are opposite of each other on the color wheel. So if we start here at red, if we go straight down, what's opposite is green. So let's do red and green first. There's our red and green. Okay, so now here